Hi and nice to see you again. With small and medium-sized companies such as Home of Furniture, using features like landed cost is vital to be sure that we have an accurate profit analysis. By considering landed costs during the supply chain management process, we'll make sure items will be profitable after they are imported. There are costs involved in importing purchased goods. The total cost of landed shipment, including freight, insurance, and other costs up to the port of destination. The purchase price is not taken into account, but we still need to consider it to calculate the total cost of the items we buy. So if I sell an item for 25 pesos, which cost me 15 pesos to buy, most people will think that the profit will be 10 pesos, but it won't. In fact, we also need to consider some other costs such as the cost of shipment. If it is 5 pesos, then my total profit for that item will be 5 pesos, not 10. So, calculating the landed costs prevents me from making poor buying decisions. By accurately calculating the profit stuff you would make on every item sold, the landed cost will help us have a clear idea of how well the business is performing. Also, they allow us to see each of the product's cost and ensure that sales prices are profitable. So we know what price to sell the item for and the maximum discount we can give. Finally, they help us analyze where savings can be made in the supply chain by showing us the different costs involved in purchasing goods. So let's see how we can manage landed cost in the Home of Furniture database. Alright, here I am on my database. Now, before we get started, we need to be sure of a couple things. So first of all, we need to have the accounting application installed, and then we also want to be sure that we actually have the landed cost feature activated. So let's go to the inventory, configuration, settings. And on the settings page, we're going to scroll down to the valuation section and be sure that we have landed costs activated and then save. Once that we've done that, we're going to go to configuration, product categories, and I'm simply gonna go to my all product category. And we're gonna see this inventory evaluation section where I need to be sure that I use the right costing method. So for the costing method, I can use both AVCO and FIFO for landed cost. So we're gonna see already that we have three choices: standard price, first in, first out or FIFO, and AVCO or average cost. Now, since I don't sell perishable products, so I sell non-perishable products, I'm simply gonna use the AVCO method here. Okay, so let's go ahead and save this the way I already have set it up, and then we're going to create product for one of our landed costs. So to do that, I need to create a product that is recognized as a service. Okay, so we're gonna go to the master data products and create a new one. Okay, so this product is gonna be called transport. Again, the product type needs to be service, and then I'm gonna jump over to the purchase section and activate this option is a landed cost. Of course, in order to use it as a landed cost, let's click on save. Now, once that we've done that, we're gonna go to the purchase application and purchase an item where we're going to apply the landed costs that we just created. So, let's create an RFQ. I'm gonna choose my vendor and also my product. So let's choose chair floor protection. I'm gonna purchase 3 of these items, then save, confirm order, and receive the products. Okay, let's go ahead and validate this. I see that it is my transfer number 9. Okay, once I have done that, let's actually go ahead and check out our inventory valuation. So I'm gonna jump over to the inventory application and I'll do the reporting section. I'm gonna go to the inventory valuation and I'm gonna see my chair floor protection. Okay, so I have my quantity of 3 and the total value which is 750 pesos, but we had to pay 500 pesos for the transport, and this is exactly what I will use my landed cost for. So let's go back to the purchase application, and then we're gonna create a bill for that purchase order that I created. And it will automatically be populated with the lines from the purchase order, but I'm gonna go ahead and add another line for the transportation paid transport. We see that it is automatically selected as a landed cost, and then we're gonna change the price as well. So let's go ahead and say 500 pesos. Now, once we've done that, we're gonna confirm, and once it is posted, we're going to click on the button Create Landed Cost. So that will direct us to our landed cost. Alright, and I'm gonna go ahead and edit this and apply the transfer. So it was number 9. So how we would like to split the land across if we want to split it amongst the products equally. We can also choose by quantity, by current cost, by weight, and by volume. But let's go ahead and save this and then validate. Next, I'm gonna go look at the right. I'm gonna go to the valuation adjustment tab. So I have the cost line, the products, the quantity, the original value, and the new value with the landed costs, which is super cool. And then I can go ahead and click here to see the valuation. Okay, so I have my product, and I also have the landed cost right here. And then if we go back to the inventory application, reporting, and check out our valuation or inventory valuation report, we're gonna see that it's updated here. So we have the cost for the item and also the landed cost as well. So as I said, the flow is super simple, so definitely take advantage of this. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.